part 4 of the Piratix Wild Kingdom unboxing. The last part cut off because, once again, storage reasons. I'm going to do this very quickly so we don't have to make a part 5, which would be ridiculous. Or I might stitch them together, I don't know. Who are you? Wilson Hanks, maybe? Looks like Guardian Charlie. Right. Who have we got here? Oh, you're really trying to escape. Snail Beats. Good. Captain Pack. Right. Oh, that came clearly. Captain Grandhopper, Roller O'Donnell, Acre Dion, I think, and Booney Hound. Inside we have right, let's just very quickly assemble this crossbow. I don't want to make a part 5 or whatever, I don't know. Right, so this is like the Bug Cruise, I think. Good, this is that. Good, right, see what we got here. Tank Glider, good. Alright, last 4-pack, I think, anyway. Right. Salamander. Dunno. Donny Blow, I think? Is that right? Oh, I don't know. Get out of the packaging! Bryce Wayne, good. Right, any more Captain Packs? Are we free of Captain Packs now? I think we probably are. Right. Voss 2. Let's see. Handsome Harold, nice. No, last. Right, now last 2. Right. I don't know. Right, finale. Let's see. I don't know. Right. Check that's everything. Yep. That is everything. Well, I hope you enjoyed the series, and I shall see you at some point, probably when I open Warriors. Bye!